Alright, hello once again. This is Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming. This is going to be a fairly short video. In the last video that is still producing, and that's why right now it looks the way it does. Let's see if it's finished or not. It is. So in that last video, we just about finished with the expanded version of our BMI GUI that uses interfaces, abstract classes, and concrete classes. Problem we had was when we printed it, and I want to show you quickly what that problem was. I had this repository.clear was inside of here. So I was clearing it every time I was working with it, and it was basically giving me a warning, you don't probably want to do that, and I didn't. The other thing I was doing is I had the message box stuff inside of here also. So if I put in 10 people, it would show the message box first with one person, then it would show it again with 2 people, then again with 3 people, etc. So I moved the message box outside, and I put the repository.clear that I actually think I had someplace else. I moved it here. So let's run it and see if it works now. So I'm going to add 4 people. We'll add 1 of each type. How's that? So File, Save All, and we're going to come in here, Show BMI. I'm just going to use very simple names. So this will be Bob Brown, 72 inches, and he'll be 100 pounds, so he'll be very underweight. All right. Then we'll have Mary King, and she'll be 72 inches and 166 pounds, optimal weight. Then we'll have Brian Bain. He'll be 73 inches, and we'll make him, I don't know, 200 pounds. He's overweight. Finally, we'll have Karen Kramer, and she'll be 60 inches and 200 pounds, which will probably make her obese. Okay, now when we print them all, we should get all 4 of these to come up on the screen. I also went in and set this up to 2 decimal places. All right, so it would read a little nicer. So show all, and there's our 4 people. So this is also working now. All right. So what I want to do in the next program, let's exit here. All right. What I want to do in the next program then, let's just do a file, save all, and get out of here. All right. Is I want to come up to the latest and greatest version that we had of our payroll app. So I see we have 2nd iteration pay GUI. Do we have a 3rd iteration pay GUI? 3rd iteration pay console, but not a 3rd iteration pay GUI. So it looks like that's what we're going to need. So it looks like the last version, 2nd version pay GUI, that's BMI. 2nd iteration pay GUI. There we go. Which has got our commission, our hourly, our piece worker, and our salaried. All right, if I bring that up, okay, I'm going to make a copy of this, change all the colors again, and then we're going to try to make this an object-oriented program. It's 7:30 at night. I'm not going to do that tonight because it's going to take some work. I partially worked on it, but not completed it. So I'm going to do all that just so you watch. Again, what's next to purple here? It's going to be that color. All right, commission. Hourly, piece worker. And salaried worker. All right, let's just do a file, save all. Let's make sure that all that stuff worked. And in fact, guess what I changed? I changed the second iteration. Oh, good golly. Okay, I'm going to change it back. But what I will do quickly here, it'll be fine, is I'm going to come in here as I have been doing, and I'm going to find this second iteration of the pay GUI. I'm going to copy it and paste, and it'll become third iteration of the pay GUI. It's actually going to be the right color now, but I will change the other one back. All right, let's bring that one into our sphere, so to speak. Let's close. Well, I'm going to leave that one open. Okay, so this should be the same colors now. Yep, and it is. So I'm going to go back to the second iteration stuff that I had and change that back to purple. And then hopefully tomorrow, if not, then the next day, we'll start on working on this. All right, I will see you then.